Welcome to Home-Based Chef. In this video, we're going to cook a simple, healthy lunch perfect for this quarantine period. We're going to cook fried eggplant and sautéed okra. These are healthy, simple, and very affordable recipes cooked using only few ingredients. These are the ingredients for this video. Let's begin. Peel the onion and cut it in half, then slice thinly. Peel and chop the garlic. Wash the tomato and cut into strips. You don't need to remove the seeds. Wash the okra, cut off the ends, and slice crosswise into evenly spaced rounds. About 3/4 inch thick each. You don't need to remove the seeds. Many people don't like okra because of its sliminess, but it actually has many health benefits, so try to add it to your diet. Wash the eggplant, cut crosswise about 2 inches thick. Then cut lengthwise into half. Repeat till you reach the top of the eggplant and then discard the top. Now let's start cooking. Heat the pan over high heat and add a generous amount of cooking oil. Carefully place the eggplant green side down and fry until they turn light brown in color. Then flip them to cook the other side for about 3 to 5 minutes. Serve with a side of soy sauce squeezed with calamansi. Now let's cook the okra. Heat pan over medium heat and add oil. Sauté the garlic followed by the onions and cook for a couple of minutes. Add the sliced tomato and stir fry until soft. Add the okra and stir fry for a few minutes. Add about half cup of water and mix it a bit. Season with salt and pepper according to taste. Let it simmer until the okra becomes tender. And it's ready to serve. Here I just added bonito flakes, but this is optional. And this is our simple, healthy lunch, served with mixed white, brown, and red rice. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Bye!